It's one of these tiny little argon lasers fired up just before it goes bang. I think we'd better have a look at it, because I'm going to crank it up till it pops, of course. That's the output. It's not exactly bright, I must admit. That is pathetic. I ain't having it. Yeah, so that end there. Got a full mirror at that end. A little bit of air cooling at the moment. And that's the output end. It must be getting hot because I can smell it. So I've got about 30 amps down into the heater, which are them two porcelain bits there. 3 volts, 30 amps, just to keep that filament going. And I've got 100 volts, 10 amps going through that tube. I'm just wondering if I need to set their mirrors up a bit better. See if I can squeeze a bit more out of it. You've only got to touch these ends, and it makes a big difference. So they're not too far out. I think we'll crank it up really, and until it pops. Turn these lights off, it might look better. Nice blue. That's pathetic. Running on the big boy supply, of course. All that palaver, just to get a silly little dot. No wonder DPSS has taken over. Yeah, so that's the full end, the full reflective mirror. That's the output end. But this is just that tiny weeny one. That's probably only about 10 milliwatts, and this probably only runs at 50 milliwatts, top whack. So I think we need to get that other one up there, that 2-watt laser. That'd be a bit more fun. But it's nice to see that on, I suppose. Crank it up a bit more. See what it can take before it sputters out. It really smells, that dust on there. If I come back a bit, you might see the dot as well. Just. Yeah, look at that power supply. That's really like state of the art, that, isn't it? All over the floor. Just how it should be. Right, now we've got 10 amps, 100 volts. We'll start cranking up that voltage a bit more. That's 15 amps. So it's going to go bang in it. About 18 amps, 120 volts. I pops it. No more laser. We'll just let it suffer a bit more first. It's off the dial. That's brighter than the actual laser itself, isn't it? Much better. Oh, there'd be laser enthusiasts out there crying their eyes out now. I popped an Argon tube. Everybody else would turn it off way before that, but not me. I might crank the filament up on it and all. Well, we've got a bit of a meltdown there. I don't think there's any argon in it anymore. There's a hole in my laser. What's that stamp on that little bit of flame there? We're cooking. Dr. Damage, I think's the new name. Well, that's one done. Next. That's definitely the end of that. I will dispose of it correctly, of course, because it has beryllium oxide, and then proceed to play with that one. Well, there's a bit more detail on this 2-watt laser, and it has electromagnets around it, which sadly somebody before me did not cool it down adequately, and the coils have all burnt out, unfortunately, due to excess heat. Air cooled, and so sadly the 2-watt laser's no more, so that's going in the bin, unfortunately, but it's not the end of the world. Guys and girls, as usual, thanks for watching, see you soon.